If you've been charged with a crime, I'm sure you're having a ton of different questions as to what's going to happen to you. Am I going to go to jail? Am I going to lose my license? Is this going to be published in the paper? What's my family going to think of the charges against me? We're here to help you solve that problem, to answer all the questions that you have, to lower your stress level, to provide you a path forward so that you'll know that we've got your back and that you're going to be well represented. If you're charged with a crime, there are a myriad of number of mistakes you can make. The first is thinking that the officer who's asking you questions is trying to solve your problem. He's not, or she's not. That officer is there investigating a crime, and that's why you've been charged. Continuing that conversation is never in your best interest. You're going to want to stop, you're going to want to assert your right to counsel, and you're going to want to hire a lawyer as fast as possible. When you're deciding how to choose the appropriate attorney for your case, you need to look at their track record. You need to look at their experience. You need to understand their reputation in the community. And you want to make sure that you're hiring a lawyer that's handled many of these cases before, who's been to the same courts that you're in before, and who has a depth of experience of solving exactly what you're going through. If you're charged with a crime and you're not sure you can hire a lawyer or you can't afford a lawyer, reach out. There's always a free consultation up front. Let that lawyer answer those questions for you. At Tenn And Tenn, we're happy to do that. We don't charge you for that. We'll talk to you about what the appropriate fees are going to be for your case. And if we can, work out a plan to help you so that you don't feel any financial burden on top of the legal stress that you're already experiencing.